ng bali.
Basta na ako siya natin, Jim. Wala akong experience.
Okay. Lapit mo dito lang ka. Ano? Tawa ka ha. Tawa ka. Tignan natin. Ito, emotions mo. Emotions sa... Battles of emotions. Totoo yan.
Now I will show you how I made this funny game step by step. You will need a hard papers, cardboards or carton sa Tagalog, or any available hard materials that you can reuse. Also, you need glue, a cutter, tape or scotch tapes, marker or pentel pens. At this time, I prepared a 21 by 4 inches long cardboards, and let's connect them together. Ta-da! It would look like this, but I wanna cover to look more fancier. I found this in the kitchen and it's perfectly matching with the sizes of my cardboard, and the surface that is smoothly slippery, textured, which is very useful for this game. And so let's wrap them up together. After we finish covering the whole thing, let's go ahead to the next step. By this time, I am creating the slider or the sliding clipper, and I can attach the drawing that I will be making later. But we have to make sure if it's really working, so let's have a try. Let's put this on. Yep. Okay, and let's try sliding. Slide. And let's slide again through the top. Yep, it's really working well. I want to make use of all these scrap papers, so I will use this to cover my sliding clipper to appear as beautiful as it could be. Moving on to our next step. Aside from drawing the character that you are going to use, you can actually just cut a photo or image or pick up any available materials or images which also tailored to the activity that you are planning. And because in this activity it consists a group of women, that's why I choose this to represent them, a female mighty warrior or a female soldier. The excitement of this game is by rolling a dice. Well, you can improvise your own rolling dice by this cardboard boxes or this transparent box. Finally, I designed the board based on the activity that we are doing. I will post them down in the description below on how we play this game.
Imagine yourself, ikaw to. Sa kasama na namin to, isa-isa kami lahat. Gaganito, kung ano yung lalabas, itataas mo yung ito doon sa pag natang ka naman sa green light, ibig sabihin, medyo may negative yan na. So, explain mo kung ano yung gagawin mo kapag natang ka sa usan. Lalanguyin mo ba yan? Pangalawa kang problema, o yung valley. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng valley? Ano ba valley? Valley paragan. Tapos kapag ang problema, flat ano gagawin mo doon? Pag thunder naman, kung anong gagawin mo kapag nag-burst out yung asawa mo sa'yo, anong gagawin mo? Ganun lang yan. So, ready ka na? 4. Apat dito. Ay, buti na lang. Sige, taas mo. Ikaw, Lerma.
Kaso wala akong gagawin.
Wala
Kasi
muna.
natapat ng wala.
Natap. Taas ka doon sa end. Mountains. Ayun.
Wala.
Meron ito.
Wala o one o.
Ay,
Dito di
one.
ba? 1, 2, 3.
Ay, oo pala. Sige. Buti na lang.
Papasagutin mo. Saan ba ako?
Oo. Sige.
One. Wala pa din.
Oo, yan na naman. Nataon naman. Oceans. Oh, diba? Oceans. Oceans. Anong gagawin mo kapag nasa oceans ka na? Lalanguyin mo ba? Problema.
Ano, susunod lang sa agos ng ano ba, tubig. Para wala nang ano. hindi, joke lang. Siyempre kung nasa ocean ako, then ano din naman na magpaano ka din doon. Yung mag-still ka din doon. Magpapa... Ayun, so higupin.
Higupin.
Ayoko nang ganong ano, ayoko nang mangyari. Hanggat maaari, ayoko nang ganong ganon, maging ganon ako.
Si Tin. Uy, pakyat ka agad.
Ano?
Adji,
Di ka dadaan ng bali.
Tapos yan natin, G, wala akong ma-explain. Abra.
Five.
Five. Ilapit mo dito lang ka.
Ano? Aba, talaga na.
Tawa ka ha. Tawa ka. Tingnan natin. Ito, emotions mo. Emotions sa... Battles of emotions.
Yan eh. Sa
O,
emotion.
totoo yan. Diyan ka.
Hindi ko nga alam kung ano yung madadap ng sitwasyon doon pagdating sa bahay.
Last na. Last.
Nag-guard yung ano ko.
Baka meron pang... Ilan pang lang iiwan dyan?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, 2 ka. 2 ulit. 2.
Ilan na tayo? 5.
O, 5.
Shoot the five.
Ay!
Oh.
Sorry!
Wala na. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Si RG.
Salamat.
Yan si RG.